choosing the best action camera used to be simple. Go with GoPro. That's still good advice, as the GoPro ranks high on our list. But there are also some worthy competitors that trump the GoPro in some areas. Finding the perfect action cameras can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best action cameras trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. We have a separate guide to choosing the right GoPro, but for most people, the Hero 13 Black is the best option. Its new interchangeable lens system makes the Hero 13 Black considerably more versatile than anything else in this guide. In addition to the standard lens, there is the ultra-wide lens mod, $100, with a 177-degree field of view, a new macro lens mod, $149, for close-ups, and a new anamorphic lens mod, $150, with a 21:9 aspect ratio and those sweet movie-style lens flares. All of the extra lenses are automatically detected by the Hero 13 the minute you attach them, and settings are automatically adjusted accordingly. This is quite frankly the best feature of the camera, especially for the ND filters, which are normally quite a pain to set up with proper shutter speed. Read our full GoPro Hero 13 review for more details on how the lens system works. And remember, if you don't need them, you don't need them. After a year of playing with these, I still use the standard lens the most, followed by the ultra-wide lens, and occasionally the macro lens. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. For the money, DJI's Osmo Action 5 is the best action camera you can buy right now. It trumps our previous top pick, the GoPro Hero 13 Black, in several ways, including battery life, which tops out at 2 solid hours of 4K video recording in my tests. The Action 5 Pro can now record a 4:3 ratio in 4K at 120 frames per second and features a new Super Night mode, which shoots up to 4K for 30 frames per second footage at 16:9 and uses noise reduction to get usable footage, even in low light situations. Want great audio? The Action 5 sounds decent out of the box, but it seamlessly integrates with the DJI Mic 2 or the Mic Mini to offer much better audio. Better than what I've been able to get from GoPro, even with the GoPro Media Mod and an external mic. I also really love the Action 5 size. It's smaller than the GoPro and easier to mount on helmets or bike handlebars. The mounting system is unchanged, which is a good thing because this is the best magnetic system I've tried. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12. The Hero 12 Black, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, remains a fantastic camera with good, smart stabilization, support for log video, wireless mic support, and a tripod mount. One downside is there's no GPS support. That's good for battery life, but if you like GPS, this is not the camera to get. The price has dropped as low as $287, so try not to spend much more than that. High dynamic range video plus photo. Hero 12 Black takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light. HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. Emmy Award winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Hypersmooth continues to set the bar for insanely smooth footage and has the hardware to back it up. A 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Hero 12 Black makes it even better by maximizing Hypersmooth Auto Boost performance with more stabilization while still delivering less image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park, or get awesome pet POV shots. Even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. Number 4. Insta360 Go Ultra Action Camera. Like the DJI above, Insta360's Go Ultra is a hybrid camera that transforms from a traditional action camera design to a more portable, go-anywhere wearable camera. In action camera mode, it's much like everything else in this guide. The flip-up rear screen is very similar to the company's Ace Pro. The real genius of the Go Ultra, though, is when you remove the camera from the base and shoot with just the tiny little pod. The extremely strong magnetic mounting system on the camera pod means it'll stick to just about anything metal, enabling you to get shots and angles that no other camera in this guide can match. Most important though, this camera is just plain fun. I keep mine in my camera bag all the time and find myself using it more and more. The simplicity and ease of shooting with the Go Ultra are hard to match. Just stick it somewhere and do your thing. There are two downsides. The pod isn't waterproof without a different lens cover, and the battery isn't removable, which means you need to lug around a portable battery charger to recharge on the go. Number 5. GoPro Max 2 360 camera. We have a whole guide to 360 cameras, but the line between action camera and 360 camera continues to blur. While I am generally a fan of things that do one thing well, GoPro's Max 2 360 camera manages to produce great 360 footage and action camera footage. The Max 2 delivers what GoPro calls true 8K 360-degree footage in a tiny, consumer-friendly package. The true bit refers to the fact that the Max 2 uses a larger sensor than competitors and is not counting the unused black portions of the sensor when touting megapixels. When you're not feeling like 360 footage, switch to single lens mode and use it like a GoPro Hero. It has pretty much the exact same specs, and the plain Hero, not as nice as the Hero 13 Black, but pretty darn good. The twin 1/2.3-inch sensors are high enough resolution that you can reframe your footage to fit rectangular video formats and still have 4K clips, which are sharp enough to mix with other video and without noticing the difference. The Max 2 does struggle in low light, so see the full guide if that's on your list of must-have features. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.